It's your girl Jhordyn.
Off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. In today's video, I'm not quite sure how much I'm going to be talking yet. I'm probably going to avoid it at whatever cost I can, because as you hear, I sound extremely hoarse. Your girl is recovering from the common cold and my voice just happens to be gone. So I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know I'm going to be showing you guys how I relace my dunks and basically all my shoes, but this is dunk specific, I guess. I'm probably just going to do a voiceover when I have more of my voice back. So I will see y'all in the next clip. Alright, you guys, so you see that we have the little setup here and you'll see me pointing out the shoe. So today we're going to be working on the Nike Dunk Vast Gray colorway, and the first step in this lacing process is to completely unlace the shoe. They come with these really tight stock laces, and if you've seen my previous video, which is my sneaker haul, I literally was talking about how I can't stand when the shoes come with the choke laces. Look at how tight this is. By the end of the video, the shoe is not going to be this tight, and it's going to be way more comfortable and you'll be able to slip it right onto your foot. So stay tuned. Now that you see that the shoe is completely unlaced, the next step is extremely critical in the process. In my opinion, it's the most important step to lacing your shoes. So in the next clip, you're going to see me checking to make sure that these two shoe strings are actually even. So as you lace your shoe, you're not going to be super lopsided and have more on one side than the other. The easiest way to think about this next step is by remembering that whatever side you start on, you're pulling the lace over to the opposite side and pulling it through. But you're going to be going through the outside. You're not going to pull the lace straight through the inside of the shoe. You're going to take it and go around the outside of the shoe and then pull it in. And you also saw me actually checking to make sure that the lace was flat, so it's not doing that weird twist thing as you're pulling it through to make it nice and even and smooth. Now we are repeating the exact same step on the opposite side of the shoe. So the side that we didn't pull through, we are now pulling through. You'll see I'm not just going to poke it straight through the inside, we're pulling it up and around so we can take that lace around the outside of the shoe, giving it that looser and smoother look. And we're still going to make sure that our laces are smooth because we want the laces to look nice and neat at the bottom from the start to finish. So now I'm grabbing the first side that we started with and we're going to repeat the same process. We're dragging it over from the opposite side and taking that lace outside instead of inside and poking it through the next available hole. We are not skipping any holes. I also would like to remind you, when I lace my shoes like this, the goal is not to have the laces choked, obviously. So you'll see me pulling it apart here to show you that it's still pretty loose. And as soon as I put my foot in the shoe, I'm going to have enough breathing room to just slip it on without actually tying it. It's not super tight, but it's not super loose either. You want that healthy balance right in the middle. For this next step, we are going to be poking the lace through the tongue support strap. So this acts as a tongue support. It's going to make sure that your tongue isn't going all over the place. It's not leaning to the left or the right. It's staying nice and in the middle and centered. So with that being said, we're just going to poke it through just like normal, but you're going to make sure that your laces are flat and smooth. Otherwise, you're going to be having to try again and pull it right back out. And you still have to go around the outside on the opposite side. So it's just an added step to what we have already been doing. I'm zooming in just so you can get a good idea for what we are working with, because I'm pretty sure it's not actually called the tongue support strap, but that's what I'm naming it because, child, I don't know what the actual term for it is. So there we have it. y'all see the flap that I am pulling away from the shoe. So that flap is there just as part of the Dunks design. There are holes on the actual shoe and there are holes on the flap. So the way that I lace my shoes, I act as if the flap is just attached to the shoe. So we're still going to be taking that lace that we're starting with, pulling it to the opposite side and going from the outside to the inside to pull the lace through. So basically just follow the same normal steps and make sure that your flap is nice and secured, because if you walk and you don't have them laced a specific way, sometimes the laces can come out of the flap. Alright, we have made it to the last and final step with the last 2 strings, so we are not going to cross them over to the opposite sides. Instead, since it's the last lace, we're going to take it and poke it through the hole on the same side that it's already on. So we're just going to take that shoelace and poke it through the last hole on the top on the side that it is already on, so it falls neatly on the side of the shoe. So there we have the final result. A nice loose lace shoe where you don't have to tie it to wear it. It is perfect for me, and if you like to wear your shoes like this, or if you don't like to tie your shoes every time, 10 out of 10 recommend trying this lacing method. So this is how you watched me go from the stock laces to the loose laces. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I'm really fighting through my voice right now. I hope that the voiceover wasn't too cringe or irritating, or it was still clear and concise, because it's easier for me to explain as I do it, but hopefully during the voiceover it'll still make a lot of sense. But this is just a tutorial on how we went from this, the stock lacing of the shoe, to this, the relacing of the shoe. It's just way looser and you don't have to tie them. That's basically that. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram so you can see more sneaker content and how I style the shoes. That will also be coming over to YouTube, but if you just support the kid, follow me on my other social media platforms as well. Make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell on so you know the next time that I upload. And that is basically that. So one more time, go ahead and like, comment down below for which version of the lacing you like, or if there's a different way that you lace your shoes. Let me know what that is, and also let me know what kind of content you want to see from me in the future, and subscribe to my channel. And that's all I got for y'all. Bye.